Hello, we're at the May Arboretum today, and this is the ranch house that we're recording from, and this is a storybook that we're going to read to you today. It's called Punda and Twiga, and the author is C.F. Armstrong. They're really cute pictures here. I'll show you a few as we go along. So the author is saying that he's dedicating this book for my wife Leslie and my sons Leighton, Cadman, and Adric with love. Punda saw his friend Twiga eating the leaves of a mimosa tree. I think Twiga might be a giraffe, looks sort of like a giraffe. And I don't know what you think that might be. Could be a mule or a cow. Hard to tell. Twiga, guess what I saw? What did you see, Punda? Asked Twiga. I saw the biggest lion ever, shouted Punda. Shh. Twiga lowered his head close to Punda. Don't say the word so loud, he whispered. Why not? Asked Punda. You'll scare the others. Punda looked at the herd of giraffes grazing nearby. Why would they be afraid of the word lion, he asked. Because lions eat giraffes, said Twiga. So here's Punda and Twiga again. They do, asked Punda. Yes, and zebras too, answered Twiga. What? Asked Punda. You mean they eat animals like us? I thought they only ate antelope. They eat all kinds of other animals, said Twiga. Do we eat animals? Asked Punda. No, we are herbivores. What's an herbivore, Twiga? An herbivore is an animal that eats only plants, replied Twiga. Lions, however, are carnivores. Oh, I know what that is, exclaimed Punda. You do? Yes, I do. Carnivores are plants that eat animals. You've almost got it, Punda. Actually, carnivores are either plants or animals that eat other animals. Punda thought for a minute and said, what about animals that eat both plants and other animals? They are called omnivores, said Twiga. The word omni means all and vor means to eat. So in other words, they eat all things, asked Punda. Exactly, Twiga answered. There are herbivores who eat only plants, carnivores who eat only other animals, and omnivores who eat both plants and animals. That's right. So what am I? Asked Punda. You are an herbivore, Punda. And you? Asked Punda. I am also an herbivore because I eat only plants. And that mouse over there? Asked Punda. The mouse is an omnivore. It eats bugs, other small animals, and plants, replied Twiga. And that lion, Twiga looked over his shoulder at the lion crouching behind him and turned back to Punda. That lion is a carnivore. It eats other animals. Animals like you and me? Yes, like you and me. And here's a picture of the lion. Scary. Run, Punda! After Punda and Twiga made it safely behind a large boulder, Punda said, Thanks for the lesson, Twiga. I'm glad I know a little more about lions and what they eat. So am I, Twiga said, sighing with relief. Then he found a nearby boy glanced and went back to his lunch.